Side effects of whey protein. A common supplement among athletes and others trying to gain muscle mass is whey protein. Protein derived from plants, eggs, or milk is powdered and consumed as protein powders. Additional additives including thickeners, artificial flavoring, additional sugars, and vitamins and minerals could be present in the powders. It can seem easy to add protein powder to a smoothie or glass of milk to improve your health. After all, a variety of bodily processes, including the development and maintenance of muscular and bone strength, depend on protein. Due to a decreased appetite, many elderly persons also don't get enough protein in their diet. Whey protein consumption has several advantages, and scientists are always discovering new potential medical uses for it. However, there could be dangers and adverse effects. We discuss some of these risks and side effects in this video. 1. Excessive fat gain. Whey protein supplements frequently contain additional carbohydrates in the form of sugars. Some of them also contain fats. This implies that gaining weight in the form of fat is possible, which is harmful. Additionally, overindulging in food when taking whey protein can result in weight gain. 2. Kidney stone formation. Kidney stone formation is a possible side effect of whey protein consumption. Experts believe that if you already have the illness, this protein may exacerbate it, even if it may not be the actual cause. You should drink plenty of water and dietary fiber to avoid this. 3. Digestive problems. Whey protein contains lactose, which may cause digestive issues if you are lactose intolerant. This issue affects more people than only those who are lactose intolerant. Choose a whey protein concentrate instead of a regular protein source if you do experience digestive issues, because it has less lactose. The more refined form of whey protein isolate might cause digestive problems like gas, bloating, constipation, and stomach pain by reducing the amount of beneficial bacteria in your stomach. 4. Risk of gout. Whey protein can aggravate gout, even if there is no proof that it causes the condition in the first place. If gout runs in your family, it's advisable to speak with a doctor before beginning whey protein consumption. 5. Liver problems. Overindulging in whey protein might exacerbate liver issues. For this reason, it's critical to always make sure you're consuming protein in moderation. Additionally, you should talk to your doctor before consuming whey protein because it can affect how your liver disease medication works. 6. Risk of heart disease. According to experts, individuals with heart problems may be at risk for harmful side effects if they consume excessive amounts of whey protein. It can result in heart palpitations that are abnormal, elevated blood pressure, cardiac arrest, and total loss of heart function. 7. Blood acidity increase. The ingestion of whey protein also causes an increase in blood pH. The kidneys have difficulties breaking down excess protein in the blood. The blood's acidity rises as a result. 8. Development of osteoporosis. An excessive consumption of whey protein has been connected to this condition. When the protein is consumed over time, this becomes very dangerous and can lead to joint pain. High whey protein consumption can lead to mineral imbalances in the bones, which can eventually cause the density of bone minerals to decrease. 9. Fatigue and weakness. Some individuals who use whey protein may experience undesirable effects, including excessive weariness and weakness as a result of their digestive issues. They might also experience headaches, cramping in their muscles, gas, bloating, etc. This is a result of the inability of some people's bodies to absorb or digest the protein they eat. 10. Diarrhea. Diarrhea is another adverse consequence of consuming too much whey protein. It is a component of the way this protein affects the gastrointestinal tract. Blood has also been known to appear in stools, particularly in young children. A common supplement among athletes and others trying to gain muscle mass is whey protein. Along with all of its health benefits, there is considerable debate about its safety. According to some, consuming excessive amounts of whey protein can harm the liver, kidneys, and possibly induce osteoporosis. Research indicates that including it into a resistance training regimen can aid in muscle growth, strength gains, and injury recovery for athletes, especially young adults without medical issues. Whey protein is frequently taken as a supplement to increase muscle growth and lower cholesterol. Numerous individuals are unaware of the various negative impacts whey protein can have on your health, despite the fact that whey has numerous positive benefits. We examine in greater detail the negative consequences of whey protein overconsumption in this video. Hope this video helped. Thanks for watching.